The sun rose over the golden meadow, casting warm beams upon Ant as he began his day. He scurried with determination, collecting seeds and grains diligently. Nearby, Grasshopper found his muse leaning against a mushroom, serenading the world with a leaf guitar, his tunes echoing across the field. His animated figure captured the essence of joy and carefree spirit, and continued his toil, dragging a heavy nut toward the burrow. He passed by Grasshopper, who couldn't resist a chuckle or two, strumming his tune in playful mockery. Underground, Ant stacked food jars crafted from acorns, turning the tidy storage room into a beacon of preparation for winter. As Grasshopper danced through the meadow, his music attracted a gathering of enchanted insects. The sun blazed during the afternoon, and Ant wiped sweat from his brow, tirelessly working. In contrast, Grasshopper chose the cool shade for a nap, his guitar resting beside. Suddenly, autumn's chill swept the field. Animated in a dramatic flare, Ant paused his labor to protect the burrow entrance from the impending cold. Grasshopper sat up, realizing that winter's arrival had stripped the meadow bare, leaving him without shelter or sustenance. Grasshopper, shivering and hungry, made his way to Ant's burrow, desperation in his eyes. Ant opened the door. The sight of Grasshopper covered in snow and weary softened his heart. Offering compassion, Ant welcomed Grasshopper inside. The warmth of a fire greeted him and a bowl of soup promised solace. In the cozy burrow, the air buzzed with conversation. Ant listened as Grasshopper shared his ballads and tales, bonding over shared stories. Grasshopper's soft winter compositions lifted the spirits of all creatures in the burrow, his music becoming a source of joy. By candlelight, Ant found himself nodding to Grasshopper's rhythm, the melody weaving them closer in friendship. Together, they devised a plan for the coming year. Ant would gather food, and Grasshopper would offer music, combining practicality with joy. Spring unfolded with vibrancy, and the animated duo stepped into the meadow side by side, singing and planning their future, united as friends.